In this video, I'll guide you through how to convert Google Keep notes to PDF for printing. If you like using Google Keep to jot down ideas, to-do lists, or important information, but you also need a clean, printable version, turning your notes into PDFs is a simple and reliable way to do that. I'll walk you through the whole process from start to finish so you can save or print your notes whenever you need. First, open your web browser and go to keepgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that contains the notes you want to convert. It's usually easiest to do this on a computer rather than a phone or tablet because we'll be moving the note into Google Docs and then downloading it as a PDF. Once Google Keep is open, you'll see all your notes displayed as cards on the screen. Take a moment to find the specific note you want to convert. You can scroll through your notes or use the search bar at the top if you remember a keyword in the note. When you've found the right one, click on that note to open it and bring it into focus. At the bottom of the opened note, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the 3 vertical dots, often labeled as the More icon. This is where Google hides additional options for your note. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu of extra actions you can take with this note. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Copy to Google Docs. What this does is create a new Google Docs document containing the content of your Keep note. This step is important because Google Keep itself doesn't export directly to PDF, but Google Docs does, so we use Docs as a bridge between your note and the final PDF file. After you click Copy to Google Docs, you may see a small notification appear at the bottom of the screen, letting you know that a new document has been created. In that notification, there will be a link or a button that says Open Doc. Go ahead and click Open Doc to open your note in Google Docs. If you miss the notification, don't worry, you can always go to docs.google.com and you'll see the new document near the top of your recent files. Now that your note is open in Google Docs, you can make any final edits you might need. This is a good time to fix any typos, adjust formatting, or add a title if the note doesn't have one. Remember that whatever you see on this page is what will appear in your PDF. When you're ready to convert it to a PDF, move your mouse to the top left of the screen and click on File in the Google Docs menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over or click on Download, and you'll see a list of file formats you can choose from. Select PDF document card to PDF. Your browser will then start downloading the PDF version of your note. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically go to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Once it's saved, you can open the PDF to double check that everything looks correct, and then print it, share it, or store it wherever you like.